Doing a rear bearing on a 2015 GMC Acadia. Removal of brake caliper bolts. Little uneven brake pad wear. Grease up them slide pins and probably recommend a brake pad and looks like rotors in the near future for this customer. Moving rotor. I took time and give it some taps off camera. That way it didn't blow your eardrums out. Excellent removal. Size 33. Removing the bearing bolts. We got one that goes back in here, one up in this general area, you can maybe see it right there, and another one down back in here, kind of hidden. Alright, first one was already loose, I did that already. Let's attack this second one. That one is loose. No. One. Two. And three. We did get it out. Now we're gonna clean up our mating surfaces so our no one goes in nice and smooth. New bearing, ready to go. Surface is all cleaned up and I seized on our axle grooves. All of our bolts are started. Let's get them snug. all snugged up. Let's torque them to anywhere from 76 to 94 foot-pounds. We're going to put these ones at 90. The NICs on our new hub mounting area where our brake rotor is going to ride. Install our brake rotor. I always take a threaded lug nut on to hold my brake rotor in place. Well, I put my brake pads back. Installing brake caliper bracket. Again, snug these up and then check the torque spec. Brake caliper bracket bolts, 129 foot-pounds. Snug up the axle nut, but not tight. Let's get torqued to 151 foot-pounds. Reinstalling brake caliper. Final step, reinstalling our wheel, starting every lug nut by hand. These will get torqued to 140 foot-pounds.